Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com making this video about gold. So let's get it started. I'm not gonna go too far back, so a few charts only because if you want to see, from the beginning or maybe from the last year, then watch my last video. You have all the charts there. So this one I made, like I said, on 24th December 2022. So all 23 is gone, and then April, and now we are in June, right? So year and a half ago, I made this chart that wave 4 is finished here, and then we're going to go up for wave 5 to the upside, and we already started, right? Before, there was a chart before that was like here, right? So I said, okay, maybe we're going to be finishing here, and after a month, I saw it was a big bullish candle. I said, okay, that's, where we end wave 4, and now we're going to go up for wave 5. So after that, I'm going to skip, like I said, a lot of charts, and then look at this chart. This is animation made in 30th March 2024. So this was wave 4 ending somewhere this one, right? And then we started this fashion, right? This wave 1, 2, 3. This is a monthly chart, by the way, right? So we went up, we came down, and then we start to go up. So this was my target on at the end of March, and in April, the first, you can say, right? So what happened to this chart? It went all the way to the upside, and it ended up like this. Right now, the monthly chart is like this, right? So it went up, 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 up. So I said, okay, it's probably going to be going to the upside even higher. And if this is wave 1, this is wave 2, we have to have like wave 3, and then wave 4, and then wave 5. Maybe we'll end up here somewhere, right? On a weekly chart, you look at it, and then this is how it is. This blue count here, wave 1, 2, here on a weekly chart, it's a black count. This is 1, 2. Right? So this is wave 1. Now wave 3 will have 5 waves. Out of that, wave 1, 2, 3, and I said wave 4 is underway, and I think that it's going to be an expanded flat, which is like, A, B, and C. C goes a little bit below A. And then once we finish wave 4, we're going to go up for wave 5. So this is where I made this chart on the 25th May, right? And we end up the week just now, yesterday. So what happened in here was like, first it was going up a little bit. Now on a daily chart here, this is very compact, right? So a little bit more extended on a daily chart, looks like this. So it was here, and then I said, okay, we probably gonna go down here first for wave 4 and then go to the upside. But first, you see, we bounce a little bit. This is the chart I made, the daily chart, if I have it here. Yeah, see, this is I made on the 25th, right? So I said, okay, we might bounce a little bit and then come down. So that's exactly what we did, right? So on the 26th and then 27th, we went up. And going to the upside, I had this on the 27th, right? This trade, I opened a buy order here with my system, and I took it to 23.41 to 23.56, right? And that's where I said, okay, maybe it will go down from there. And this is how it start to look. And let me see another chart that my 40-minute chart. Okay, here. So it went up there, and then I said, okay, maybe it is coming very close, and it looks like ABC correction, right? So, and then against the trend, you don't want to be holding on to it too much. So I closed that one, and then I waited for a down move. So the down move came right after this reversal candle right here. I had my entry, and going down, this is the trade that I had on the 31st. Right, so it went up there and then start to come down here, and then see, I do not take trade or open the trade on speculation that, okay, it's going to make the turn from here, so open the damn trade. No, I don't do that unless I have my setup with 4 conditions. I will not go short or long. So this was a short setup here according to my 4 condition. Then I took it from here and then all the way there. But I also have an entry from here and going down so far. I will, well, that is still running, right, on the other computer, my son computer. So I will show that when I close that one later on. But where the heck we are going is the question, right? So this is the live chart and the daily chart here. So this is what I think that we are going to do. Now, some people saying that this could be wave 4 ending here, and then this is wave 1, 2, followed by wave 3, 4, 5, right? It is possible, right? Elliott wave is very subjective. But the thing is, right now it's going down, right? If it start to bounce and go to the upside, I need a long setup. And when I have it, I'll go long, definitely. I'm not gonna, just wait and see that, oh, it must go down because I said so. No. If it is going to the upside, yes, definitely. But the thing is that this wave 4, the time is spent in wave 4 is much less than the time is spent in wave 2. So if this is wave 1 and this is wave 2 or B or whatever, right? But this is more time than wave 4, and that is against the Elliott wave principle. Wave 4 should have at least equal or more time spent in the making, right? So to me, this is wave 3, and then A, B, and C will probably come down a little bit below. Maybe it's coming to hit the channel, right? And then go to the upside. So far, this is what it is, and I'm still just waiting, for this to go down, and let's see what happens. This is the high that I will be paying attention to, and this is 23.52. Excuse me. So as long as we stay below and then dropping, I will be going short until we reach there. Now, why I'm saying this wave 4, because you see this, let me show you that how I did with the S&P 500 with this wave 4 drama. This is the same thing, wave 1, 2, 3, and then I said, okay, we're going to drop for wave 4 at 38%, right? So what happened to this chart? Just watch. It started to drop here, and then it went up. I said again, no, it's going to drop here, do 38%, and then go for wave 5, right? And then what happened? Just watch. See that? So this is how it is. Now you see the time is spent here to here is almost equal, not less, equal or more, you can say, right? So this is wave 1, then ABC 2, 3, ABC 4, and then wave 5. And probably that's exactly what we're going to do with gold, right? So we need like 38% or, come down here. This is a zigzag correction, kind of, right? But that one is like a expanded flat correction, wave 4. Usually wave 4 ends up in like this, a regular flat or expanded flat. So this could be an expanded flat. If we drop this price drop below A, then it will be an expanded flat. Currently, it can be, if it makes a turn right from here and then go up, you call it a running flat, right? Where B is a little higher than 3, and then C is a little higher than A. That's a running flat, and wave 4 will be finishing here, and then we go up for wave 5. If not, if we come down below wave A, that would be an expanded flat, and then we go for wave 5. Just like I showed you in S&P 500, Nikkei did the same thing, and Nasdaq did the same thing, S&P did the same thing, and now gold is doing the same thing. Right? So this is what happened. Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, nothing happened but these patterns again and again. They repeat, repeat, right? So this is what's happening. Manage accordingly, and let's see. Today's Saturday, one more day, then the market opens up, and we will see what happens. The trade that I have open right now, I will when I close, I will make the chart and I'll show it to you. But now, at last, I'm going to talk to my subscriber that if you are the current subscriber, know that this chart I'm following, and every time it makes the turn, I look for the 20-minute chart's entry in that direction. Okay. Now, what the heck is that? And why is that? This is a different, count. What the heck? The brick size, right? Brick size is completely different. If you are my current subscriber, please email me. If you're watching the video, email me for the brick size for this chart. Now, the beauty about this chart, I'm always trying to better things, do better and better for new subscribers, or not the subscriber, new traders, right? So, they cannot be very complicated. They need a simple thing. So in this one, whenever the reversal candle happens, and after that, you find a nice setup, or you don't find it, simple as that. And if you find the setup, most of the time, that is a very positive one, right? So this is working very good. And like I said, that you should try. And if you are my current subscriber, means paid subscriber on my website, then email me, please. and I will give you the brick size for this chart. And according to this, like for example, right from here on the top, this reversal candle ended when? 5/31/1650. And watch what happened this 5/31/1650. 5/31/1650 is right there, right? And right after that, this is my entry. Then this was a beautiful entry as well. You see that here? You see that? You see that? This was my entry here. Oh, but my entry was second, but not the first one, right? So this is my entry, and then also the way it went down. So that's how it is. Every time that makes the reversal candle, you find the entry, and then that entry usually is a good one. Okay. So this is it for now. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get these videos on time. And this is what the gold is doing. First down for wave 4 ending, and then we will go up for wave 5, and I'll let you know when it is about to go. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.